Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio with Nano Banana. So I was having trouble doing this and I figured out how to work around this. You just go to Google, download a, blank canvas of the aspect ratio that you want. So this one I wanted to convert it to 9:16. Okay, you just download this image, just right click on it, save image as, right? Once you have saved it, you just go here to Gemini, you upload your images. Okay, so I'll come back here to images. I'll upload this one first, and then I'll upload the other one as well right here. I'll just drag and drop, and then we enter our prompt. Convert the first image to the aspect ratio from the second uploaded blank image. Okay, and then hit submit, and it will actually go ahead and match these. So let's give it a few seconds. All right, it just generated. Let's see what it ended up doing. Perfect. You see? So that's the workaround, and that is how to change aspect ratio with Nano Banana.